Before we start, the big question is, over the next 2 days, we're on a mission to find out 8 top locations in 48 hours. This is Singapore, and we're about to see if it truly has it all.
We got our tourist pass.
Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's
We've
already
reached
gone, darling.
Gardens
Did you
by
make
the
two
Bay.
wrongs? Know that daddy never made
Wow.
it right before, darling. You were never
वो
made to
देखो,
be the judge,
अलग content बन रहा है.
darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees.
Taking the shuttle.
Ask me if I had another.
You could avoid this mistake. So there's a shuttle that goes directly from the Bayfront MRT. But that was not included in our tickets, and it was like $3 per person. But nonetheless, we'll take this walk. It's a 10 minutes walk. And why not? I mean, look at this. We better will walk. Let's go.
She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat. Yeah.
आप कितना सुंदर बना सकते हो यार किसी चीज को. I think it's such a great spot to even just cycle. I don't know if cycles are allowed here. But क्या मजा आएगा यहाँ पे साइकिलिंग करने में. होती है गाइस, यहाँ साइकिलिंग होती है. ऐसे vlogging के लिए we are not like pros. So please excuse us if we are like doing a shitty job. But it's just for a fun, to be frank, and we want to keep it as authentic as possible.
This is Marina Bay. आएंगे कभी यहाँ पे भी आएंगे. हमें कैब लानी चाहिए थी. It's very hot and humid.
But we're almost here. Honestly, it's not like a 10-minute walk. I mean, of course, if you want to just sit and relax midway, तो अलग बात है. But 5 मिनट की walk है. काफ़ी scenic. You should walk.
The sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute.
So, I'm gonna take you to the first look of this unreal. I mean, he actually checked from ChatGPT, which told me should go first. That's how dependent we are. So we chose the cloud forest. Oh, so beautiful.
Until then, I'll be out here fighting like
Up close मस्त लग रहा है.
the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat.
Up next, the Evolution Walk.
Cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees.
Orange Wonderland. कैसा लग रहा है?
Yeah, this is amazing. The place is very nice.
How scientific this is. This is the walk. This is called the Cloud Walk. I'm just putting my camera so that you can see the depth of this place. Because I'm super scared of heights. यहाँ हाथ पकड़ के चल रहे हैं. Is it just me? Anyone else is also like super scared of heights?
Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made it right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling.
इन सब की वैल्यू बाहर सबसे ज़्यादा आती है. We got them from India. क्या टेस्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या जबरदस्त टेस्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या कहता है?
इतनी वॉक के बाद ये नीडेड है.
This is so cool. Like, wow. I was actually wondering कि ये इतना different कैसे लग रहा है from last time, but I think this is some season going on. That's true.
Flower Dome was nothing short of a magical wonderland. Every corner felt straight out of a dream, and the experience was simply breathtaking. But with so much more to explore, it was now time for us to head to our next destination.
We're done with the Flower Dome as well, and look at the weather.
Are in
Great.
search of Starbucks because we are tired.
Actually, we are in search of food. We are hungry. क्या ही खाया? I don't know. I don't think कुछ खाया हमने.
Chips खाए हैं.
हाँ, अंकल चिप्स खाए हैं बस. So we are super hungry. डिनर का प्लान तो हमारा मोस्टली लिटिल इंडिया होने वाला है, या फिर मरीना बे सैंड्स में कोई अच्छा अगर इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट हो, बिकॉज सचिन इज क्रेविंग फॉर गुड इंडियन फूड एंड आई एम ओके विद एनीथिंग edible at this point in time. There are two shows, 7:45 and 8:45, and अभी 7 बज रहे हैं. I think almost सारी जगह full है. That's how they rebook their spots for this show.
But I think you will be surprised to see the view which we are witnessing live.
Yeah, I'll put some clips
So
down.
beautiful.
Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me.
We present
They say
Retro Viva.
take your time,
So pick a spot, grab your cameras, and enjoy the show.
stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm
The
breaking
manifested this.
Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds a flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed.
इडली खाना वो भी लिटिल इंडिया में मिल रहा है हमें, पर ये हेवन है हेवन. Good morning, welcome to day 3. This is our final day in Singapore. We checked out, kept our luggage, and we're straight at the Orchard Lane. There's a look. First things first, we're going to the famous ice cream sandwich guy.
You can see
I tried it last time also, and I was wondering if he's still there, but yes, he is. Let's go check out. If there's a queue, you know it's famous. I mean, this person is so old, but he's so nice. Yeah, so this is the ice cream person. He serves various flavors, and we let you know the feedback if it's still as good.
Well, I tipped my tooth on a tangerine, and the jaybird singing something about the
We're now at Uniqlo. Let's see how Uniqlo is priced at. A lot of skirts collection here, which I love. Yeah, I don't think you should buy from here because I think it is more expensive. Finally, the OGs, Charles and Keith. Let's do some damage. No damage was done so far in Charles and Keith.
The collection was not that good.
Yeah, we'll try more outlets. हम हिम्मत नहीं हारी. सिंगापुर आए और चार्ल्स एंड कीथ नहीं लिया. हम पहले होंगे.
सिंगापुर की इकोनॉमी इस पे डिपेंड है.
हाँ. We'll be going to Little India, Mustafa, because Sachin has to pick something from there. So let's see. Ta-da! Thank for Little India and starting with coconut water. It costed us $2. But trust me, खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है पानी. हम तब से वेट कर रहे हैं कब खत्म होगा. We have to go to Mustafa, which is right in front of us, but हम जा ही नहीं पा रहे क्योंकि पता नहीं क्या है. But yes, it tastes really good. कुछ शॉपिंग करी हमने. We've got these cute magnets. कोई कह सकता है कि आज ही हमारी इंडिया की फ्लाइट है. You're obsessed with that. Made it to Boogies. Wow. So for people who don't know, it's like a street market. It's super cool. It has all like, fun stuff. And last time when I came here, I did so much shopping. Very creative, cute things.
बहुत क्यूट है.
Look at this. Such a cute.
This is
How much is this? So हमने खरीदा और ट्रांसफर भी कर लिया अभी. I love this cutie. The bag. This is another Singh bag. Wow.
$20.
Woohoo. Damage done. Guys, I'm reporting directly from heaven. It is so beautiful. There are no words.